Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dora. Today I'm going to show you how I use aloe vera to moisturize my scalp. Aloe vera is very good for your hair. It soothes your hair. Now this is my aloe vera already prepared. You can see how it is prepared. So I've cut them into smaller pieces. And I'm just going to show you how I really use aloe vera for my scalp. And as you can see, aloe vera it's also good for the skin. It soothes the skin. If you have any problems with the skin, you can actually try to use it. But first test and see how your skin reacts with aloe vera. You can also use it on your face. So in today's video, really make sure you put some oil on your palms before you do anything on your hair. And the reason is sometimes our hands are, dry, and that's not good. It can rip your hair. Remember, you're supposed to take care of your hair. So this is my hair midweek after a wash day. You can see it still looks okay. You can see my scalp is very clear and clean because I use aloe vera. And I'm now going to undo the hair. Just make sure you are, be gentle with your hair. And this is the reason why you put the oil on your palm. I guess you now see why you need the oil, because when your hand is dry, chances are that, it can easily rip off your hair. So always remember to put oil on your palms. It's very, very important that you do that. All right, so you can see that my hair is still, it still looks moisturized, pretty much moisturized, still looks good. And never allow your hair to get to a state where it's so dry that you cannot, work on it with ease. And the advantage of keeping your hair moisturized, it's easy to look after it. So if you really have to, I'm just going to mist. This is my water. And guys, water is our best friend. Water is the best moisturizer for hair. Just mist a little bit, not soaking wet. Don't have to make it wet. And when you do that, just squeeze in the water. Just make sure your hair absorbs all the water that you've sprayed on your hair, okay? And just do what you feel is what you really need to spray. If you feel you need to spray a little more, please go ahead and do it. Just follow what your hair tells you. Okay, so this is really what I do. So now to make sure I get the aloe vera on every part of my scalp, I'm going to make sure that I work in sections. And it's always good to work in sections, guys. Even when you're, washing your hair during wash day shampoo, it's easy to work with your hair in sections, just like I've done right now. There we go. So you can see that the aloe vera is juicy. I like this, there are different types of aloe vera. There are those that come with very big. So I like this smaller breed for the scalp like this, because I'm not washing my hair. I'm just going to leave it there. And oh my God, it just feels, I just put a little bit of it and I feel my scalp is loving it. It just feels so good. It's a good feeling. That cold feeling, not so cold, but just that cold, soothing feeling that, gets on your scalp. I know, for those of you who've tried to use aloe vera, you know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so there we go. And just make sure you apply, you rub, be generous on your scalp. Okay, just be generous. And one of the things that aloe vera will do for you is that you will not have flaky scalp. You will not have any itching, Okay, dandruff is also one of them. Like if you always have problems with the dandruff, your scalp is flaky, your scalp is itching, this is the solution for you. Just make sure you use aloe vera. Aloe vera does a great job. Now then massage. This is how you massage. A circular motion. Guys, just see how nice it feels. So soothing. I'm actually enjoying it. So good, so good, so good. So good. So aloe vera will not only, help you with, with your scalp. Scalp health is important because a healthy scalp equals healthy hair growth. But aloe vera also actually helps with hair growth. You see that? So meaning that, why not use it, It will make sure that your scalp is healthy, and when your scalp is healthy, your hair will grow. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just now dividing it, like putting that section away. It's always good to work in sections because it makes it easy, and especially if you have, natural hair, our type of hair. I don't like to type hair because, like, giving hair types, I feel that everyone's hair is unique in its own way, and so we should actually treat our hair, the way it is. Just the most important thing is learning how to take care of our hair. So this is what you do with aloe vera. You see, if you can actually use your nails, your fingers to, try poking so that you can get more juice, and then you keep rubbing that on your scalp. All right, so I'm just going to show you just that one last part, and then I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the process until we come to the end of it. So just watch what I'm doing and see how I enjoy this whole process.